A Dodge pickup. Got the spider gears replaced. They're a whole lot better now. There's no play. If you're getting a thudding clump, more than likely it's going to be these spider gears. Set the lash on the main gear. But I mean, there was so much slack in there. About 100% better. So, I just want to update. Got the new brake shoes going on too. New seals. I gotta pop a new front pinion seal in. But anyway, the 88 Dodge Ram pickup, half-ton, 355 gear. It's an 8 1/4 gear ring. Just about coming to an end. And get the case on it. Get that seal on the front. Get these brakes on it. Take her for a test drive. There's the old pickup there. If you're having any rear end problems, hopefully this will help you a little bit. There ain't the whole information on these old Dodge trucks. But thanks for watching. Peace.